Introducing columns. To define the entered element, enter the Properties window. We set the dimensions and material. We approve. In the Insertion window, we choose the column insertion point, in this case, the lower right corner. We enable the Reference option. We indicate the reference point, we show the direction, and we enter the distance of the column from the corner to the selected insertion point. We indicate the angle of rotation of the column. To introduce the next element, we will draw an auxiliary line. We introduce the next column with a different point. Change the insertion window and indicate the position and angle of rotation. We introduce a pole in the middle of the designated section. We change the insertion point again. Click at the beginning of the segment and its end, and the column is inserted in the middle of the selected segment. You just need to indicate the insertion angle.